Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, you see we have a black box. You got the big, shiny Nike swoosh logo across the top. What we have is the Acronym Nike Air Presto Mid. And the colorway is white, black, and dynamic yellow. So let's get into the box, man. Here it is. Acronym Nike Air Presto Mid in the dynamic yellow colorway. Now, I'm feeling this color a little bit better than the racer pink color. Well, a lot better, really. You know, I think it's a nice shoe, man. You know, so we're not gonna really get into all the technical specs and everything. You know, I'm just trying to put this content out for y'all, man, because I'm about to get ready to get on these games, you know what I'm saying? Saints in Atlanta playing, you know, we about to bust they fucking ass. You understand what I'm saying? And we're gonna keep it moving, you hear me? But looking at the shoe, man, look, like I say, I think it's dope. I'm feeling it better than the racer pink colorway. You know what I'm saying? Now, I am gonna do another video on the other colorway, that black and gray color. So stay tuned for that if you're looking to see them, man. You know what I'm saying? But all in all, man, I'm just trying to get y'all a look at the shoe, man. We ain't gonna go into everything. I'm not doing our own foot. I don't have time for that today, man. So, you know, it is what it is. I know they got other people that done did their own foot of them. So, you know, go ahead and check some of them out, man. Spread that love around, man. You know what I'm saying? But I think these are dope, man. You know, I think it's a nice little touch. Both of the shoes are identical. I don't have no complaints about it. Pretty much a win for me, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. You see the outsole, got the white and black, got your 5 dots at the back on the bottom of the sole. I mean, it is what it is, you hear me? So that was my look at the Acronym Nike Air Presto Mid. Presto Mid in the white, black, and dynamic yellow colorway, man. Follow us on Instagram at Pelazab504. Subscribe to this channel, turn your notifications on, and I'ma holler back.